Every meeting begins with a voice, and every voice deserves to be heard clearly. Since 2004, SPON Communications has been dedicated to professional audio and communication technologies. With over 20 years of audio and communication expertise, SPON develops conference systems and meeting room solutions for clearer communication and smarter collaboration. From voice pickup and audio processing to system control and integration, our R&D team focuses on delivering reliable technologies for modern meeting spaces. Our product portfolio covers conference main units, wired and wireless microphones, management software, professional audio equipment, loudspeakers, and video conferencing devices, with functions such as discussion control, voting, sign-in, simultaneous interpretation, video tracking. SPON helps meeting organizers manage every session with confidence. Our conference solutions are designed for government meetings, corporate boardrooms, education and training centers, hotels, conference centers, and public venues. Wherever people gather to discuss, decide, and collaborate, SPON delivers clear and reliable communication. Behind every SPON product is in-house manufacturing, strict testing, and a commitment to long-term reliability. From product design to delivery, we focus on quality that customers can trust. SPON Conference Solutions built on audio expertise, designed for clearer meetings and smarter collaboration.